Hello guys, welcome to Khmer Technology. Today I show you guys how to make shadow of the people in Adobe Photoshop. So when you open your Adobe Photoshop, it will show like this. So you go to your album pictures or image and drag your image into the Photoshop. So I have a nice picture now. So I go to the right side, click unlock here, go to select and set object, the weighting, zoom out, control alt and scroll and go to here, reduce minus here and drag it. Yeah, go to the plus. No problem, it's just a shadow. So what's next? And next control C, control V, yeah. See, and double click on it, drop no click here, shadow here. See, you have at the bottom behind her. Okay, and go to the layer here, new layer style, click on create layer, click OK. So this is the shadow. Go to the layer of the shadow, control T. See, you can move her, edit here and select distort and make her behind. Yeah, and make her like this and reduce the opacity. See, that's nice. I hope you enjoy it. It is very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe for more.